we are going to start with Unit 1, Period 2. This unit is about an expression that is called a comfort zone. Anybody know what do you mean by comfort zone? Have you ever met this expression in your life? Comfort zone. يا أحمد. أحمد عماد أظن.
إيه، منطقة
Yes.
الراحة.
In Arabic منطقة الراحة تمام. But when you talk about the comfort zone, it is the distance. If I talk about it physically, يعني بشكل مادي, it is the distance that you should leave between you and others in order to be comfortable and safe. But here it is talked about uh, your routines or the activities that you do in your life. And in this text, we are going to face or to have two definitions of it. هلا يا توجيهي for the comprehension text, you should know that we have a question that is very important, and it comes either in the external or in the internal comprehension text test, which is the titles. Either they ask you about the title of the text itself or one of the paragraphs, or they ask you to match the paragraph with each paragraph with the suitable title. But it is very important to know the titles or the headings of each paragraph, in addition to which title which could be suitable for the text itself. So the title of our text now is Stepping Outside the Comfort Zone. Let's read the first paragraph and go on with the discussion. Bara, can you read?
I don't have a picture. صورة مبين.
Ahmed Tamer, read please.
Your comfort zone
Your
is,
comfort.
as the name suggests, the area where you feel comfortable. We all have one, whether we know it or not. It is the set of routines and known abilities that make us feel safe because we are confident, confident, confident that we can manage and are unlikely to be challenged by anything unexpected or worrying. Obviously, staying inside your comfort zone has many benefits, especially at times when you are feeling under stress.
So, what title can be given to this paragraph, if you can? What ideas have you got from
The,
this paragraph?
the comfort zone meaning.
Very good. يعني definitions of comfort zone. Definition يعني تعريف. So you might be asked to give the definitions of the comfort zone. You have two definitions here. Ahmed Imad, can you give me the first definition of a comfort zone?
The area where you feel comfortable.
This is the first definition. Very good. Then it is the area where you feel comfortable. From its name, قلنا معناها منطقة الراحة أو الارتياح. So it is the area where you feel comfortable and safe. What is the second title or the second, definition? Ahmed Tamer.
It is the set of the routines and known abilities that make us feel safe.
Good. This is the second definition. Set of routines. By the way, set and routines are two of the words that are required in this part of the unit. معانيهم ضروري تكونوا عارفين. Set means مجموعة routines بنعرفها الروتينز الأعمال الروتينية أو اليومية. So it is the set of routines and known abilities that make us feel safe. طيب, why do you feel safe inside your comfort zone? Why could you be safe inside your comfort zone? أيوة يا أحمد عماد.
Because we are confident that we can manage and are unlikely to be changed.
To be challenged by anything unexpected or worrying. So these are the two reasons why you feel safe inside your comfort zone. You are confident. برضه confident من الكلمات الجديدة المطلوبة اللي معناها واثق that we can manage, we can do things, and also unlikely to be challenged by anything unexpected or worrying. This is the second reason. But is it advisable to stay inside your comfort zone? Is it a good idea to stay inside your comfort zone? يا أحمد تامر.
It has a benefit, but when you are feeling
that you are under stress. يعني when you are under stress, you are under pressure, there is no reason for stepping out of your comfort zone. Stepping, by the way, means what? شو stepping outside the comfort zone?
يعني يخرج من
يخرج، يطلع من منطقة الراحة. Staying outside it. Do something new. مش هيك؟ So when you are under stress, you shouldn't do something outside your comfort zone. You should stay inside your comfort zone. تمام؟ طيب نشوف الريفرنسز. We refers to. قلنا مهم جدا اني اعرف الافكار، اعرف الريفرنسز اللي موجوده في كل باراجراف. يا احمد عماد. We refer
The
to
readers. We
not
the
only the
readers.
readers, it means people in general. It contains the readers and the writer altogether. تمام. The readers could be anyone in the world, so we can say people in general. But one refers to one in the same line 1. Ahmed Tamer.
comfort zone.
Comfort zone. And it, I have two its here. أيوة يا أحمد.
يعني هل إذا إحنا بنعرف عن إنه إحنا نملك أو لا نعرف.
تمام. But I ask you about the pronoun it. يعني all of us have comfort zones, by the way.
Comfort zone.
You can be asked this in true false statements. You know, some people do not have comfort zones. This is false. All people have comfort zones, but they might not know their comfort zones. تمام. But I ask you about the pronoun it يا أحمد. Refers to what? It.
So that we are know that we have a comfort zone.
We know it. إيش الإت
No.
هاي؟
It refers to comfort zone too.
برضه الكومفورت زون. It refers to the comfort zone. تمام. When you are feeling under stress. Line 5 refers to what? line 5. يا أحمد.
The reader.
The reader. When you read something, when you have a comprehension text, all this family refers to the reader, unless you are in a conversation. يعني it depends. But generally it refers to the reader. So again, the title of this part, this paragraph is definitions of comfort zone. This is the title of the first paragraph. I'll try to remove it here. Go on reading, please. Asma, can you? Or you joined us now? Jannah Imad, can you read? Someone else who likes to read? Yes, please.
On the other hand, we are often told in self-help books that it's a good idea to do things that are outside our comfort zone. In fact, many studies have shown that an important factor in helping people feel positive about themselves is the feeling that they are developing and making a progress
Progress
in the list you
in their
want
life.
or potential potential if you only do what you know you are able to do. We all want to improve ourselves, for example, by reading something, becoming more creative or getting fit.
Good. What can you guess from this paragraph? What is the writer talking about?
Oh,
Yes. Ahmed Tamer.
When you want to improve yourself, you must be out of your comfort zone.
Yani, we can say the benefits of stepping outside comfort zone or the advantages of getting outside the comfort zone. شيك ايش هي الفوائد انه I am advisable
Yes,
to step outside of my comfort zone. So what is the benefit? What is the advantage of getting outside the comfort zone? Is it useful, yeah, Ahmed Imad, to get outside your comfort zone?
Studies have shown that an important factor in helping people feel positive about themselves.
So when you step outside your comfort zone, you feel positive about yourself. You have a positive feeling. The why? Why you have a positive feeling when you step outside of your comfort zone? منين بيجي الشعور الإيجابي هذا؟ أحمد. One of
because
the
we are developing and making progress in our life.
our lives. إذن the benefits of getting outside our comfort zone. Number one, helping people to feel positive about themselves. طبعا I can, if they ask me about this in one point, you should say people have the feeling that they are developing and making progress in their lives. Sorry for the way of underlining the sentences. But how can we reach the full potential of the things that we are doing? Potential يعني إمكانيات. طبعا هاي واحدة من الكلمات الجديدة المطلوبة. How can we, يعني what, in what ways? Give me examples of doing things that can make you reach your full potential or that are of examples of stepping outside the comfort zone. يا براء, examples of stepping outside your comfort zone.
Do what you know you are able to.
طيب how can you improve yourself؟ ما حكينا you reach your full potential. طب what, in which ways we can improve ourselves? Yes, يا أحمد تامر.
By expanding our comfort zone, like do something new and learn something new.
Learning something new. This is the first example of improving ourselves اللي هي نفسها getting outside our comfort zone. Number two, becoming more creative. And number three, getting fit. Again, what is the title or what is the heading that can I give to this paragraph of the text? Yeah, Ahmed.
The benefits to set
To
out
step.
of your comfort zone.
Very good. Benefits or advantages, both are correct. Benefits of stepping out the comfort zone. By the way, they will not ask you to give the title. They will give you several titles and you are going to match. كمان مرة البعيد للي دخلوا بعدين معنا على الحصة قلنا one of the important questions about comprehension text. Either they ask you choose the best or the suitable title of the whole text, maybe, or one of the paragraphs, and you have here to circle the correct answer, يعني multiple choice بيكون, or they ask you to match the titles with different paragraphs, and to know the difference between them, you will have a line at the beginning of each paragraph. يعني يكون حاطط لك خط ببداية الباراجراف، تعرف هون في بداية كل باراجراف هيك، تمام؟ تعرف هون إنه أنت بدك تعمل matching between the titles and the paragraphs. تمام؟ طيب let's move to the last paragraph of this text. Read it please. Someone to read. طيب يا أحمد يلا go on.
Unfortunately, people often get stuck in their comfort zone and don't feel able to try different things. There are various possible reasons for this. They may be afraid of falling,
Failing.
failing, or unsure how to begin. Many people think this is the way I am, I am, and I will never change. Using this as an excuse for not trying something new, whether the reason may be it is sometimes necessary
Yeah.
to do something you would rather not to do. Once you have made the effort, thought, the door to new experiences will be open, and you will probably wonder why you thought it was a problem.
Good. So here we are talking about طبعا we said that the article مقالة أكيد تعرفوا article advise people to step outside their comfort zone when they are not under stress مش هيك؟ طيب some people do not like or get stuck. stuck طبعا من الكلمات الجديدة. when you get stuck you are unable to move. عالق مش قادر تتحرك. So why do some people get stuck in their comfort zone? They say we can't get out of our comfort zone. We only do the things that we know. Why? Why do you think that happened with some people? We have three reasons for getting stuck inside our comfort zone. يا جنة. Jannah, are you there? طيب نشوف براء.
They,
جنة.
they,
the
they,
first reason.
they may be afraid or of feeling or unsure how to begin. Many people think this is the way I am, and I will never changing.
Good. So the reasons for stucking inside the comfort zone, number one, they may be afraid of failing. خايف انه يفشل ما بده يطلع من برا منطقة الراحة هاي او منطقة الأمان. Number two, unsure how to begin. He doesn't know where to start and when to start. So this is number two. If they ask you to give two reasons, these are the two main reasons. Afraid of failing or unsure how to begin. Imagine that they want you to give another reason. This is the third reason, which is some people say this is the way I am and I'll never change. And they have the belief that they can't change. So this is number three. طبعا when you say this is the way I am and I can't change, this is only an excuse يعني untrue reason. عذر حجة ما بده يتغير ما بده يتعب على حاله مش هيك؟ Try something new. طيب in this case يا توجيهي, what should you do when you feel that you get stuck inside your comfort zone and you have any of these reasons for not getting out? What should you do? شاعر اني انا عالق مش قادر اطلع برا منطقة الراحة, شو لازم اعمل؟ What should I do? يا براء.
You must force yourself to do something you would rather not do.
Can you repeat that again, please? I couldn't hear you. براء.
You must be force yourself to do something you would never do it.
Very good. If you feel that you get stuck inside your comfort zone, you should force yourself. شو يعني force yourself? أجبر نفسي. Force yourself to do something you'd rather not do. I force myself by making effort to do that. In this way, how would you feel after you force yourself and after you are successful in getting outside your comfort zone? What is your feeling in this case? يا أحمد عماد.
I will have a new experiences. Will be open, and you will probably wonder why you know it was a problem.
Yeah, you thought you wonder why I thought it was a problem. You'll find that it was easier than I expected. تمام؟ طيب, I will return back to paragraph 2 because we do not get the references. We have here they and themselves in this paragraph. What does it refer to? I have themselves in line 8 and they also there all these days. يا أحمد تامر.
It refers to people. The
People.
في السطر اللي فوقها.
اللي هو people feel positive about themselves. This is they. People. Yeah. Just a moment. So they, their, themselves refers to people. تمام؟ طيب في عندنا هون their in paragraph 3 line 11 refers to their. Yes, please, Ahmed.
Also people.
Which all people?
The people who stuck in the comfort zone.
Very good. People who stuck in their comfort zones. طب this line 12. I circled it if you can see. There are various possible reasons for this. يا براء.
Stuck in the comfort
Very good.
zone.
Getting stuck inside the comfort zone. طيب this is the way I am. I refers to what? Ahmed Tamer.
The person who stuck in the comfort zone and don't want to leave.
Excellent. The person who gets stuck inside the comfort zone and doesn't want to leave. But using this in the same line, I mean line 13. This. Ahmed Imad, please.
The way he is never changed.
I know some people say or a person says this is the way I am and I will never change. يعني the statement before it. طبعا again yourself, your refers to the reader of the article. طيب, why you thought it was a problem? It on the last line refers to what? Ahmed Tamer.
Stepping outside the comfort zone.
اللي أقرب إنه doing something
doing something
Yes.
new.
Doing something new, which means stepping outside your comfort zone. The title that we can give to the last paragraph again. Can you give me any title or heading for this paragraph? طبعا زي ما حكيت لكم ما راح يطلبوا منكم تعطوا عنوان، هم راح يقولوا لكم match, but I want to hear from you. عن ايش حكينا هون في هاي الفقرة؟
The way to get out from your comfort zone.
The ways of getting outside your comfort zone. Was this the main idea in this paragraph? It is mentioned at the end of the paragraph, we force ourselves. But mainly the paragraph talks about what, يا أحمد تامر?
Why people get
أيوة.
why people get stuck in the comfort zone.
Very good. يعني reasons، أو ممكن تيجي على شكل سؤال على فكرة العنوان. It could be anything that means the same as I write here. Reasons for getting stuck inside the comfort zone. In this way, I finish my discussion of the text. Any questions about the text? Any idea you want me to focus on? Tamam. What I want you to know that these are the new words. They were highlighted in yellow in the text itself. I guess you have some recordings and some pictures for the meeting or the lesson. يا توجيه بتاخذوا انتوا قاعدين صور وبتسجلوا بعض المقاطع ولا لا زي ما حكينا؟ ضروري. صور إلكم يعني for example these are the new words that you have to know their meanings. For example, set means complete group. Routines, everyday things we do regularly. Confident, sure. Factor, part of the reason. Potential, possibilities for the future. Creative, good at making artistic things. Stuck, unable to move. Excuse, untrue reason. هاي الكلمات الجديدة اللي مطلوبة منا. طبعا احنا في جزئية الفوكابيولاري يطلب منك either to match words with their meanings، بيعطيني مربع وانا بدي اعمل ماتشنج ويعطيني المعاني، او replace زي السؤال هذا بكون حاطط لك اياه بجمله حاطط لك خط وبرضه بيعطيك مربع بدك تختار منه تعمل ماتشنج or fill in the gaps، بيجيب لي مربع بعبيه بالفراغات. فضروري جدا you have to know the meanings of these new words at least in Arabic and try to know them in English or even some keywords. يعني إذا كان المعنى الكلمة كبير جملة نص جملة have some keywords that help you make the matching between these words and their meanings. تمام؟ هلا في عندي هون question number 2 ask you about some pronouns. Match the pronouns highlighted in the text with the nouns or noun phrases that they refer to. طبعا احنا طلعناهم كلهم. I will not repeat them. احنا بنشرح اخذناهم كلهم. But you can have some screenshots for the answers if you like. And in the last question that is important, you have to complete the sentences with the phrases from the text. على هذا السؤال كمان بيجي في comprehension. Complete the following sentences with words or phrases from the text. ما هون ما بعطيني اياهم في مربع، انت بدك ترجع للقطعه وحسب فهمك بدك تعبي الفراغات. تمام؟ This is the last question. In this way I finish video 2. Next time ان شاء الله طبعا according to the timetable حسب الجدول اللي بيعطوا لنا اياه I will start with period 3. and period 3 is language. It talks about present tenses. ف كثير مهمة الحصة رح تكون، وبتأمل إنكم تحضروها. I will stop the recording now. Just a moment.